Is voicemail not working on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update? Don't worry. Follow this advanced troubleshooting guides to fix the iPhone voicemail issue after the recent update. So, let's get started. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple restart on your iPhone. Often only giving a simple restart on an iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 2. Check voicemail settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap the phone app, scroll down, tap Live Voicemail. Make sure that it's enabled. Method 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset all settings again. After following this process, hope your voicemail not working problem will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.